Experience VIC in Vancouver, SSLC's sister institution where academics meets practicality. VIC stands as our destination for advanced study and work experience. From academic programs to co-ops and practicums, we ensure our students are future ready.
VIC, we are leaders in understanding the global market and the Canadian job market requirements. Therefore, our programs do not only provide theoretical knowledge for our students, but rather a hands-on and vocational training that can help them land their dream jobs in Canada and at home.
Our customer service program is for you if you want to learn about Canadian culture and how to deal with customers, and then you can go to co-op and give it a try.
Here at VIC, Vancouver International College, our TESOL program is ready to give you all the skills you need to be an excellent teacher. With our certificate, you can teach anywhere around the world.
From the classroom to the workplace, at the digital marketing program in Vancouver, you'll learn everything you need to succeed.
At VIC, our commitment extends beyond just classroom learning. We integrate real-world experiences into education to ensure our students are both academically and workplace ready.
Your future, your journey, your transformation starts here. Visit our website for program offerings and schedules. We have something for everyone.